game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic. You can't stop it, it's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving.
Hey guys, Dylan from EP5. This episode we finished the roof. We finally get it all done. It's all stuck onto the roof and we're ready to do the rest of the body now. So this episode's pretty jam-packed of finishing that off. And stay tuned to the end of the episode because there's a pretty special montage that I've put together for this one. I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode. Cheers. Yeah, there you go. Gravity assist. That's sick. Can't believe it does a little pop-up as well.
I didn't know it did that.
That's sick. Automagic.
Auto, bro. It's a Japanese limousine.
Is it a bit? Yeah, you might want to. Don't think you're not going to be able to not take it out.
Clean it up.
Yeah.
Clean things up.
Yeah.
Sitting in properly because that should come up above the.
Oh, should it? Oh, yeah.
This is stopping it here.
Windbreaker or something. Otherwise it will rattle the bejeebers out of the glass.
No, it's the that horrible whistling.
Oh yeah, the drone of it, yeah.
It's all pretty good though. Bit of clean up. It all
It
works.
almost looks like they should have moved it forward an extra 20 mil.
Would you grease that out?
You'd probably use a dry lube or something like that.
Yeah. What do you mean, 20 minutes?
Like, because it just gets on these ribs here. Like, if they came forward a bit more and missed the ribs. Because are these like the GU ribs?
Those ribs, they come up to like here.
Oh, okay. I was going to say, because on the GU, our ribs like fade off.
Yeah, you can see in my roof, the ribs will go.
Yeah, they go.
Fair low.
Yeah.
I'm rapid at fucking actually works though.
No hands.
and it's relatively quiet.
That's really nice. Looks really well. It's cool. Very cool.
Don't know if the warrant just have a battery hanging.
Yeah.
Just keep a Ryobi one on here.
Just duct tape it to your roof. Make a bracket for a battery in your roof. Looks full legitness.
It's on! We have a roof. Finally. I don't know what to do with that.
Yeah, I can never doubt myself, I know better. All of you critics be acting like you know better. Blowing the smoke, but I know when the dust settles. Said I'm in my element, it's evident that there's levels to the game. All of those dark nights I got then, breaking my back to make it out, got me feeling like pain. I ain't never need your help, I know you wishing me well. A penny for your thoughts, but seeing no change. I snap for the sun like Diddy. The riches got a mad ass son, I'm like Billy. I ain't never switch up, whole team with me. But known for my city like OAGZ. Set the pace as long as you finish. Consumers find a way inside your business. Babylon, they try to dabble in it and they hate the fact that they may have to witness. You tryna aim for the top like this, and you're in your element with a fire like this, and they hoping you fall and they praying you miss, but it's all in the risk. I got you with the switch, you know. I'm in the zone.
Alright guys, thanks for watching that episode. We've done the roof, we're on to the next stage of things. I just want to jump in quickly. If you want to follow TidyFab on Instagram and Facebook, I'm going to have all the links down in the description down below, so make sure you jump on that and support the business. They do all the bar work and everything for all your 4x4 and custom needs, so make sure you jump on that. Another one, make sure you follow Nick 4x4 on Instagram and Facebook also, and keep up to date with sort of behind the scenes of what we do here. All the other videos are already online and they're on the YouTube channel now, Neat 4x4, so go ahead, make sure you look at the other ones so you can keep up to date with this build. I'm Dylan from Neat 4x4, thanks for watching this, and we'll see you in the next one.